What's going on, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Once again, down here at the beach, taking pictures of all the beautiful classic cars we get in stock. Absolutely gorgeous 1966 Mustang today, convertible. It does have the 289 with a T5 overdrive transmission, manual, obviously. There's 17-inch Mustang torque thrust wheels. It's got aluminum radiator. It's got disc brakes up front. Beautiful chrome as well as the grille. Let's pop the hood real quick since we're up there. There's our 289 set aluminum radiator. Runs just beautifully. Inside we got pony interior, beautiful white top, in great shape, no rips or tears, back windows clear, nice wood grain steering wheel, 5-gauge cluster, door panels is all in great shape. Looks like you got brand new seatbelts. Windows is all rolling down like they should. Stereo works. Definitely ready for summer over here. Wipers work. Turn the lights on. Check that. All on like they should. Really easy to drive. Drove it on the way up here a few miles and drives like a beauty. Underside super clean. Anyway, y'all, hope you have any. If you have any questions, give me a call. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Nationwide shipping as well as financing available. Let me know how I can